You've probably heard the term metabolism tossed around a lot, often with a sigh, as if it's some mysterious, unchangeable force dictating your weight and energy levels. We blame it for stubborn fat, for feeling sluggish, for why some people seem to eat anything and never gain a pound. But what if I told you that your metabolism isn't a fixed destiny, but a dynamic, incredibly responsive system that you have the power to influence, naturally and effectively? Today, we're not just demystifying metabolism, we're unveiling 5 powerful, scientifically backed secrets to naturally ignite your body's fat-burning furnace and boost your energy from within. Forget the fleeting fads and dubious supplements. In today's video, we'll explore practical, sustainable strategies that will not only accelerate your metabolism but also improve your overall health, vitality, and well-being. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about empowering you with the knowledge to optimize your body's natural processes, unlocking a more energetic and efficient you. The human metabolism is a truly remarkable orchestra of biochemical processes, constantly working to convert the food you eat into the energy your body needs to breathe, think, move, and even sleep. It's the engine that keeps you alive, and its efficiency plays a profound role in everything from your body composition to your energy levels and even your mood. For many, the word metabolism conjures images of a slow, stagnant process, often blamed for weight gain and persistent fatigue. However, this perception couldn't be further from the truth. Your metabolism is dynamic, adaptable, and, crucially, influenceable. While genetics certainly play a role in your baseline metabolic rate, environmental factors, lifestyle choices, and crucially, your daily habits, hold immense power in sculpting its performance. The goal isn't to speed up metabolism to an unhealthy degree, but rather to optimize its natural function, ensuring it works efficiently to burn calories, produce energy, and maintain a healthy weight. The conventional wisdom often points to extreme diets or endless cardio, but the real secrets lie in more nuanced, sustainable strategies that leverage your body's inherent intelligence. Let's peel back the layers and uncover these surprising metabolic boosters that can transform your body from a sluggish furnace into an efficient, fat-burning machine. Our first secret, and perhaps the most surprising given our modern, sedentary lives, is building and maintaining muscle mass. This isn't just about looking toned. It's a fundamental principle of metabolic optimization. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it requires more energy, calories, to maintain itself at rest compared to fat tissue. Imagine 2 individuals, both weighing the same, but one has a higher percentage of muscle mass and the other a higher percentage of fat. The person with more muscle will naturally burn more calories throughout the day, even when simply sitting still or sleeping. This is what we call your basal metabolic rate, BMR, the number of calories your body burns at rest. Resistance training, whether using weights, resistance bands, or even your own body weight, is the most effective way to build and preserve muscle. As we age, we naturally begin to lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia, which contributes significantly to a decline in metabolic rate and an increased propensity for weight gain. The twist here is that you don't need to become a bodybuilder. Even moderate strength training, 2 to 3 times a week, can make a substantial difference. Think of it as investing in your internal furnace. The more muscle you have, the bigger and more efficient that furnace becomes, burning more fuel around the clock. This translates not only to easier weight management but also to improved strength, better bone density, and a more robust, energetic body. The second powerful secret lies in the often overlooked necessity of prioritizing quality sleep. In our always-on culture, sleep is often the first thing sacrificed in the name of productivity or entertainment. However, chronic sleep deprivation wreaks havoc on your metabolism in insidious ways. When you don't get enough restorative sleep, your body's hormonal balance is thrown off kilter. Specifically, 2 key appetite-regulating hormones, leptin and ghrelin, are directly impacted. Ghrelin, often dubbed the hunger hormone, increases when you're sleep-deprived, making you feel hungrier and crave high-calorie, energy-dense foods. Conversely, leptin, the satiety hormone, decreases, meaning your body struggles to register fullness, leading to overeating. Furthermore, lack of sleep increases cortisol, the stress hormone, which can promote fat storage, particularly around the abdominal area, and contribute to insulin resistance, a metabolic dysfunction where your cells become less responsive to insulin, making it harder to process glucose and leading to fat storage. The surprising payoff of simply getting 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night is a naturally rebalanced hormonal system, reduced cravings, improved insulin sensitivity, and a more efficient metabolic engine. It's a truly passive yet profound metabolic boost that costs nothing but a shift in your priorities. Our third secret is deceptively simple: hydrate adequately with water. It sounds too basic to be a metabolic game changer, doesn't it? Yet, water is absolutely essential for every single metabolic process in your body. From breaking down food to transporting nutrients, to eliminating waste products, water is the medium in which all these vital chemical reactions occur. Even mild dehydration can slow down your metabolism. When your body is dehydrated, it can't efficiently carry out metabolic functions, leading to a sluggish feeling and a less efficient calorie burning process. There's even a phenomenon known as thermogenesis, where drinking cold water can slightly increase your metabolic rate as your body expends energy to warm the water to body temperature. While the caloric burn from this alone isn't massive, the consistent hydration ensures your metabolic machinery is running smoothly. The twist here is that many people mistake thirst for hunger, leading them to consume unnecessary calories when a glass of water is all their body truly needs. Making water your primary beverage choice throughout the day not only aids in metabolic efficiency but also helps you feel fuller, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. It's a foundational, easily implemented habit with surprisingly significant metabolic dividends. The fourth secret to boosting your metabolism naturally is to increase your protein intake. Protein has a unique metabolic advantage over carbohydrates and fats. This advantage is known as the thermic effect of food, TEF, or diet-induced thermogenesis. The body expends more energy, calories, to digest, absorb, and metabolize protein compared to carbohydrates or fats. This means that for every calorie of protein you consume, a significant portion of those calories is immediately burned off in the process of digestion itself. This boosts your overall metabolic rate. Beyond TEF, protein is crucial for preserving and building muscle mass, which, as we discussed, is a primary driver of your BMR. Adequate protein intake also promotes satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating and snacking on less nutritious, metabolism-slowing foods. Think about adding a lean protein source to every meal: eggs for breakfast, chicken or fish for lunch, and lean meats or legumes for dinner. The surprising payoff is that by simply shifting the macronutrient composition of your meals, you can turn your body into a more efficient calorie-burning machine, not just through increased muscle but through the very act of eating. Finally, our fifth powerful secret is to integrate high-intensity interval training, HIIT, into your fitness routine. While steady-state cardio has its benefits, HIIT takes metabolic boosting to another level. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. This type of training creates a significant afterburn effect, scientifically known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. After a HIIT workout, your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate for hours, sometimes even up to 24-48 hours, as it works to recover, restore oxygen levels, and repair muscle tissue. This prolonged calorie burn far exceeds what you get from traditional steady-state cardio. HIIT also has the added benefit of preserving muscle mass while burning fat, unlike prolonged cardio, which can sometimes lead to muscle breakdown. The twist is that you don't need hours at the gym. Even 15-20 minutes of HIIT a few times a week can be incredibly effective in revving up your metabolism. It challenges your body in a unique way, forcing it to adapt and become more metabolically efficient. It's a time-efficient, potent strategy to transform your body's energy expenditure. These 5 secrets aren't isolated tricks. They form a synergistic strategy for naturally boosting your metabolism. Building muscle, prioritizing sleep, staying hydrated, eating enough protein, and incorporating HIIT all work together to create a more efficient, energetic, and fat-burning body. It's a holistic approach that respects your body's natural processes, rather than fighting against them. By consistently implementing these strategies, you're not just aiming for a temporary metabolic boost. You're cultivating a lifestyle that optimizes your body's inherent ability to thrive. This knowledge empowers you to move beyond the frustration of a slow metabolism and take proactive steps towards a more vibrant, energetic you. Stop blaming your metabolism and start empowering it. By embracing these 5 natural secrets, you'll not only ignite your body's fat-burning potential but also unlock a profound sense of sustained energy and well-being. The power to transform your metabolic destiny lies within your daily choices. Your metabolism is waiting to be unleashed. Give it the fuel and the challenge it needs, and watch your body surprise you with its newfound vitality.